हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। तो हम लोग लास्ट वीडियो में हमने सॉल्व किया था कुछ क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू एंगल बाइसेक्टर प्रॉपर्टी एक्सेट्रा। तो हमने सिमिलैरिटीज लेसन स्टार्ट किया है। तो इस सेशन में और अगले 1-2 सेशन और में हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन से सॉल्व करेंगे रिलेटेड टू सिमिलैरिटीज़। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। आज में हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे 10 to 15 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का, देखते हैं कितना हो पाता है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हमारे सामने एक क्वेश्चन है कि इन ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर पी एम इक्वल्स टू 15 एंड पी क्यू इक्वल्स टू 25, पी आर इक्वल्स टू 20 और एन आर इक्वल्स टू 8. So what you have to find is state whether line NM is parallel to side RQ and give reason. So what we have to do is we have to state means we have to tell whether line NM is parallel to side RQ or not, and if yes then why. We have to give reason. So let us begin by solving. So first of all, Pn equals to Pr minus Nr. We all know that fact. Second one, Mq equals to PQ minus PM, because P dash M dash Q and here P dash N dash R means they are in a straight line. They are also known as points on a straight line. So here we'll find the value of Pn and here the value of Mq. So now what we'll do is that we'll write in triangle PQR, we'll write Pn upon Nr and Mq upon Pm upon Mq. So what we'll get is that their ratios are equal, that is 3/2 and 3/2. So from 1 and 2 we get that Pn upon Nr equals to Pm upon Mq. Therefore by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, Mn equals to Mn is parallel to Qr. So by this method we can prove the two lines to be parallel. Now next we'll take another question. Measure of some angles in the figure are given. So we have been given the measure of angle APQ and angle ABC. Both are 60 degree. So what we have to do is we have to prove them that AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. So first of all we'll write measure angle APQ equals to measure angle ABC equals to 60 degree, which is given, and then PQ is parallel to BC due to corresponding angle test, which means that if there are two angles, then this angle is congruent to this angle. Therefore this line is parallel to this line. Hope you would have learned this in your 9th standard. Next what we'll do is in triangle ABC PQ is parallel to BC, which we get from the second one. Therefore AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. Hence we can say that they are their ratios are equal, which is by basic proportionality theorem. Now let us solve next question. So this question says that in the given figure X is any point in the interior of a triangle. Point X is joined to the vertices of triangle. Segment PQ is parallel to segment DE and segment QR is parallel to segment EF. We have to prove segment PR is parallel to segment DF. Let us see the diagram and then prove them. So here is the diagram. Here we can see that there are two triangles. One is the bigger one and the second one inside the bigger one. So we'll consider it as three triangles. First one XDE, second one XEF, and third one XFD. So in XDE, first we have to prove that XP upon PD equals to XQ upon QE. That we can do by basic proportionality theorem, since PQ is parallel to DE and that is given. Second, we'll prove XQ upon QE equals to XR upon RF, as QR is parallel to EF by basic proportionality theorem. And next we'll prove XR upon RF equals to XP upon PD from first and second one. Therefore segment PR is parallel to segment DF, as if XR upon RF equals to XP upon PD, then PR is parallel to DF. Now let us take the next question. So here we are with another concept, which is similarity of triangles. See, there is a difference between congruence of triangles and similarity of triangles. In congruence of triangles, it means that if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then AB is congruent is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, and BC is equal to QR, and angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. But in similarity of triangle, what happens is that suppose triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It means that AB upon PQ equals to AC upon PR equals to BC upon QR, means they are in some ratio and not perfectly equal. And also angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Now we'll see some tests of similarity of triangles. First one is AA test, which is also known as angle test. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if angle A is congruent to angle P and angle B is congruent to angle Q, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, because automatically angle C will equal to angle R, as the angles of triangles are always fixed, which is 180 degree. Next, second one is SSS test, which is side test. So say for example we have two triangles ABC and PQR, and in that if AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR and AC equals to AC upon PR, then only we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Just for your information, I would like to tell you that this is the symbol of similarity. Next one which we have is SAS test, which is side test. In this we again have two triangles ABC and PQR, and in ABC and PQR, if AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR and angle A is equal to angle P, then we can prove them similar by SAS test of similarity. Now we'll take some questions related to this. So the very first question which we have is that in the given figure, angle ABC equals to 75 degree, angle EDC equals to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles. Now let us consider two triangles ABC and triangle EDC. Here one thing is very important, that is point to point marking. Means if ABC you are taking and at angle B there's 75 degree, then in EDC also you have to take such that at the middle term there is 75 degree, because it is very important in geometry. So first one which we have is angle ABC is congruent to angle EDC. Then what we'll write is angle ACB is congruent to angle ECD, that is both of them are common angles, and therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle EDC by AA test of similarity. Now let us take the last question of this session and then we'll conclude our session. So this is that, are the triangles in the given figure similar? If yes, by which test? So we are given two triangles and we have to see whether they are similar or not, and if yes, then by which test. So here we have two triangles. We are given that PQ's value is 6, QR's value is 8, and PR's value is 10, and also LM's value is 3, MN's value is 4, and LN's value is 5. So what we get is PQ upon LM equals to 6 upon 3, which is 2 upon 1, and QR upon MN, which is 8 upon 4, which is 2 upon 1, and next PR upon LN, which is 10 upon 5, which is equal to 2 upon 1. So what we get is all the three ratios are equal. So from 1, 2 and 3 what we get is that PQ upon LM equals to QR upon MN and PR upon LN. Therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by SSS test of similarity. So hope students you got to know something from this session. Today we solved some questions related to the lesson named similarities, and in the next coming part also we are gonna be on the same lesson, and we are gonna solve some questions related to similarities. As we move on, we will be exploring some very difficult and very easy questions. So stay tuned, and also do like the video, share with your family and friends. and also subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and also comment your questions below down in the comment box so that we can help you solve your question. Thanks for watching and bye.